We're here at Narita Airport for our flight home back to Manila, no, at 5:40 p.m. Time check is 4:10, so 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hanap lang kami ng place to eat. But what I observed sa Narita is they have a lot of mga areas, no, to sit. Yun nga lang problem, konti din yung mga places to eat kasi naka-check-in na kami, so I have to go back. Daming working area, so ideal really for those who are working, no? May mga this one comfortable na mga chairs facing the runway. So Narita is one of the two airports dito sa Tokyo. The other one is yung Haneda. Ito yung problem kung pabalik ka kasi wala yung Vocalator. So Philippine Airlines here at gate 64. Ayan na sa baba nakalagay na it's for Manila, no?
Saksak lang daw siya.
Ha?
Saksak lang daw siya.
Sino? Ah, okay. Yeah. Ito yung baba. This is gate 64 Japan Airlines, no? Flight. Ano bang flight number?
香港エクスプレス871便とキャセイフ式航空5871便香港行きのお客様はただいまから96番ゲートよりご搭乗ください。Attention please. Departing passengers on Hong Kong Express Flight 871
Or tayo to buy from here naman. Please na malayo doon, maglalakad. There's a bento ba? Oh. Daring sandwich. Mukhang masarap. Chop. Ano pwede makain dito? Here. One option is yung sandwiches talaga. Natin. We have Pokemon.